Assalamualaikum, nama saya Aiman dan hari ini kita akan main Forza Horizon 5. And today we got a mission to do. What is the mission? Meh aku tunjuk kat korang sikit. Okay, so here as you can see there is a Vocho dan yang kita kena cari somewhere up in the hills of above Mulege or Mulish, aku pun tak tahu macam mana nak pronounce. Kalau ada member aku yang Mexican tahu cara nak cakap Mexican, please correct me. So yeah, kita akan buat mission ni. And by the way guys, kalau korang tengok, we have a new car which is a Nissan Fairlady. Okay, aku tak tahu whether di kereta baru atau tak, so aku rasa memang aku tak pernah guna kereta ni. So without further ado, jom kita pergi sana. Very dekat je, dekat sini je pun. Alright, so we'll just start this. And then okay, so in order nak dapatkan 3 star, korang boleh tengok masa kita kena cari dia in 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, hopefully first try kita dapat buat lah. Hopefully.
Hey, Ale, how can I help?
Hey Ale,
jump in the buggy. I'll tell you the story on the way.
Ooh, we're going to use a buggy. Hey, let's go.
Ramiro was looking through old things at his padre's home last week, and he found this photo. He gave it to me.
Oh,
said I
very
might
smooth,
enjoy it.
buggy.
My friend, what would you say are the 2 most important things in Mexican culture?
Tacos?
Clothes, familia, and the Volkswagen Beetle. Vocho is the Mexican
Volkswagen Beetle? Why they say it's a Volkswagen Beetle? Aku ingat Volkswagen Beetle is famous because of the Beatles, yang Beatles punya group tu. Oh yeah, kita kena cari tu. Oh okay, so kita kena cepat guys. Aku terlupa yang masa dia dah kira dah. Look, we're going off track baby. Oh, pelan sikit.
This is definitely the place, but no sé, why would Papa Fernando bring the Vocho up here?
No sé, why would
The
Papa
storms can get
Fernando?
tremenda.
¿Cómo estás? Hola amigos.
Let me just get the door.
Oh, the classic Beetle car.
It's really here. We found it for you, Papa Fernando.
Who's Papa Fernando by the way? Are they gonna fix it? And then lepas tu kita boleh drive? Maybe. Sebab tu lah loading sekarang ni.
Oh, the weather's closing in. I don't like the look of the roads around here.
Kita bawa balik the Beatles. And then we have to drive this truck. Wow.
I'll have to put in a new bateria.
Get the
plenty of
Volvo back to the
oil,
garage.
llantas,
Yeah, okay.
eléctrico.
So basically kita akan fix that car. So guys, aku dah kata dah guys, this game is not just a race car game, okay? It's more than a race car game. That's why aku suka gila Forza Horizon.
Looks like roadworks.
Aku ingat kita. Lama. Kita kena cepat. Damn. Lalu dia tak cakap awal. Kalau tak aku dah naik ramp tu in full speed tadi. Aduh. Why did I just stop just now? Kenapa? And it's raining. Guys, you guys know what happened in Malaysia right now. So hopefully korang boleh donate and tolong sikit kepada mangsa keadaan, to the victims of the flood. Donate je lah apa-apa yang korang boleh donate. So jangan lupa guys, rakyat untuk rakyat. Alright, we arrive here to the garage.
Park the truck here. I'll take care of the rest.
It takes good luck, hard work.
Yeah, whatever. Oh, senang sangat. We arrive in just below 2 minutes ago. Okay, so now sabar. Aku ada spin. Alah, I want money. Please. 35. Still okay. Oh, okay. We got a new car. Nice. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to drag race. Yeah, enter event. Aerodromo drag street. Oh, right. Cool. So they recommend these 2 car, then of course guys, kita baru je dapat the new car here. MK2 3.8 1959 Jaguar. So we're gonna use it. It's a drag race, but you will use a very classic new car. Come on. One go. Allah lambat ni. Semua kereta klasik guys. We're currently 12. Oh, this is a long drag race though. Just maintain a straight line. Let's go. Okay, this is a checkpoint. How far we are okay. Bye bye. No challenge guys. No challenge at all. Easy. Okay, so apa yang kita akan buat? Kita just go to
¿Qué onda,
this
amigo?
Vocho
I've
tadi
been
lah.
working on the Vocho and
Yeah.
learning more about Papa Fernando.
Okay, so
Come meet me when you
yeah,
have time. I'll show you what I mean.
I'll meet you there right now. Okay, kita dah sampai to this place here. What is this all about? Scratch versus a pit of supercar against a red road in a test of scratch and stock.
Where's the Vocho?
Oh, I'm taking
Same
my
question.
time with it.
Okay.
Don't worry, superstar. Sometimes stock tampoco está tan mal.
Okay. Are we racing with
May the best mechanical win.
Alejandra? Alejandra nak lawan kita, come on lah. Dah lah dia mula depan sikit. Oh bapak, tak fair. Come on. Just because you're a woman, mana gender equality bro? Huh? Girl. Never mind. I'll crush you baby. Allah. This is so bad driving for me bro. Okay, dia still belakang kita. No worries. We're still in the lead.
Go straight ahead.
Go straight ahead? What do you mean by go straight ahead?
This is a
Never mind.
technical route. Lots of city turns, but the next checkpoint is outside of town.
You're not making this easy.
Oh, kereta ni is quite laju juga. And how do I make this turn though? Sorry it's so bad driving from me guys. But we're still in the first position. Oh, slowly. Okay, cool. Let's go. Dia dah tinggal ke belakang gila guys. You're not gonna catch me, Alejandra. Nemo piccolo. Aku tak tahu macam mana nak Mexican. Taco El Paco Robane. Let's go. Laju tu kereta ni. I'm not even kidding bro. And we've won baby. Let's go.
Well done.
Of course.
I'll let you
It's so
get back to the
easy though.
garage.
Okay, so there's a few chapter for this Vocho punya ni. Okay. Why only 3 stars at 1 minute 34? Wow, definitely I'm gonna try that again. Aku ingat just race dia je kalau kita menang. Okay, that's all lah. Okay, I didn't know yang kita kena arrive before that time nak dapatkan 3 stars ke apa ke. So definitely aku akan try to take a shortcut even though I don't know where the shortcut is. This car is so damn... baru cakap No Damn. Okay, I'm gonna restart the event. Let's go. This car even though nampak macam compact and kecil, but it's super fast though. And thank you so much for that bump. Nasib baik aku tak terbabas. Jangan terbabas. Okay. Aku rasa banyak hilang masa kat situ tadi.
Go straight ahead.
Dia cakap go straight ahead. So we just go straight from here?
You are
Or
now
what?
following the shorter route.
Anna, whose side are you on, amiga?
Incorrect. There is no fixed route for this encounter.
What the
I
fish?
am providing navigational assistance.
Oh, okay. Dia akan tembus kat sini, tapi
You have
kita...
now returned to the main route.
Tapi definitely kita dah terlanggar tadi. So, we may lost a bit of time there. Kalau kita still tak dapat yang ni, at least we know there's another shortcut here. 2, 3, 4. Oh, almost.
Hey, well done.
Almost. We need to do it again sebab aku terlanggar tadi. No, definitely, yeah. I'm gonna retry it again. Okay, let's go. Third try.
May the best mechanical win.
Third time's the charm. Let's go.
So that's how it is. Okay then.
Hopefully aku tak terbabas lagi. That's all. Let's go. Lambat sikit kan. Oh, please sikit. Thank you. Macam tu je confirm aku dulu.
There is a shorter route. Go straight ahead.
Yes, I'm going straight now. Yes sir, let's go.
You are now following the shorter route.
Anna, whose side are you on, amiga?
Incorrect. There is no fixed route for this encounter. I am
Okay,
providing
kena slow kat sini.
navigational assistance.
Okay, nice.
Oh, I'd high five
That's how you do
like
it.
Anna.
You have now returned to the main route.
To the main route, let's go. That's how we roll. Definitely kita menang. Definitely kita dapat 3 stars kali ni guys. Come on. just stop for a while. Tapi tengok view tu bro. The view is so marvelous.
Hey,
And kita
well
menang.
done.
3
I'll
stars.
let you
Come
get
on.
back to the
Aku tak
garage.
tengok masa ni.
Call me.
I didn't get to watch the time just now. 3 stars, yes. 332, nice. Okay guys, aku rasa itu sahajalah untuk hari ini. So if you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. And guys, we already reached 194 subscribers. Lagi 6 je lagi untuk 200 subscribers. So please do share, like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And see you in the next episode. Bye bye.